guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my Rebecca Mail box. This is a seasonal box and I believe that it is $59.99 and you get it 4 times a year, but I just looked on the website and I couldn't find it, so I don't know what's up with that. If there's any change or anything like that, I will leave all of the information in the description box. They also have a snail mail one and one that is just the cards if you want like stationery, you know, for correspondence that way, sort of a thing. Those are always really fun. So anyway, I will leave all of that information in the description box. Okay, so let's see what is in the autumn box. This is always my favorite time of year, so I'm really excited. Okay, oh, this is a pretty little pamphlet. A little card, autumn time. That's really cute, I like it. Ooh, I see a bracelet. Let's look at this, shall we? Oh, this is fun. Oh, how interesting. It's like a rubber band, but it's on this, oh, this is kind of cool actually. Let's see, can I get this on my big old hand? Oh my gosh. And it's falling apart. Okay, hang on. Let's see if I can actually do this. Okay, so this is not actually like connected to the bracelet at all, but it does kind of fit in this divot. Can you see what I'm talking about here? It's got, you know, a place for the band. Oh, this is impossible. How the heck do you do this? Come on. Okay, well, that sucks. I'm gonna have to fiddle with that later and see if I can get that to work for me, because right now it's not working and it's just frustrating me. So let's move on. Okay, cute little box. What is in here? Ooh, this is fun. I like these kinds that you can, you know, keep it long or make it short. That's cool, right? That's fun. I like it. Okay, well that's fun. Some jewelry right off the bat. Let's see. Deep Purifying Black O2 Bubble Mask. Ooh, funsies. I've tried masks like this before and they are fun. You put them on and then it starts foaming and bubbling and kind of tickles a little bit, but they're fun. I love those and I'm obsessed with sheet masks in general. So this one says coffee on it. Hang on. I have no idea what this is. Okay, is this coffee or tea? I'm confused because it says spiced coffee fruit tea. Is it coffee or tea? Yes, it is a tea made from the coffee fruit, made right here in Millinocket, Maine by our favorite coffee roaster. Okay, so you treat it like tea, but evidently it's made from the coffee fruit, so I wonder what it tastes like. And it's chai flavored. It smells good. Ooh, it's really cinnamony. Okay, that's fun. Interesting. I do drink both coffee and tea, so that actually smells really good. Very autumnal with all of that cinnamon and clovey goodness. What is this? Oh, is this a little bag? How cute. Look at this. That's a fun little bag. Oh, it's all like soft and fuzzy. That's cute. I like that. Masking tape. Ooh, little autumnal, like the washi tape stuff. I know Rebecca loves her washi tape. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? And you can just use it for little things, you know, like to close your envelopes or tape messages to things or whatever. How cute. I love that. Ooh, a Kind bar. Dark chocolate mocha almond. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, heck yeah. I'm totally gonna eat that. Yum. Ooh, and more treats. Honeycomb. Mini chocolate bar. Ooh, have you guys tried these chocolates? They have all sorts of interesting flavors. I'm trying to remember if I've had the honeycomb one before. I feel like I have. That looks so good. Oh, heck yeah, buddy. Okay, let's see. What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh, I love you already, whatever you are. It's so soft and fuzzy. Is this like, what is this? Are you like a one of, oh my goodness. Wait, I'm having issues. I have a giant head. Oh, this is so fun. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute and fun. Eek. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I actually super love this, you guys. It's like a, what do you call these things? Ponchos? Let's see, let's read what it actually says. Oh, it's so cute. I feel fancy in this. Let's see. Snuggly Fall Shawl. This pullover wrap is so soft and cozy and are all over the place this fall. Toss it on over your favorite dress for a stylish night out, or use it to top off your favorite jeans and tee to be both trendy and cozy at the same time. And I guess the boxes come with either gray, navy, or burgundy. I would love all of those colors, so I'm happy. Oh, okay, all right, so here's the thing. A little blurb in here, let me read this to you. It's finally fall, time to break out the pumpkin spice and cozy sweaters. This box features items carefully selected to make your fall cozy and fun. Absolutely. This is our last Rebecca Mail Deluxe Lifestyle box. Okay, so that's why I couldn't find it on their website. As we shift our focus to our wildly popular Rebecca Snail Mail and Lip Service boxes. Oh, okay. And so we decided to go out with our favorite season. Okay, so they've got the snail mail box, which is the stationery, pens, and other fun gifts starting at $20 a month, or the lip service is a lip balm and other small surprises delivered monthly for $5.95. And I think that I did a lip service unboxing and it was just like a little lip balm and some other cute things. I don't remember what was in it, but I will link that video in the description box. So, okay, well that's sad that the lifestyle box is going away. I always loved this box. And I mean, look at the fabulous things you get in here, right? But I love that they're still continuing on with the stationery and the lip service, so that's great. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box, like I said, so that you guys can check it out. I will also leave links to other videos that I have done, etc. Thank you so much to Rebecca for sending me this box. I really love it. I'm sad to see it go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!